Winooski Main Street Revitalization Project, December 2025 Project Update. Construction on Main Street will pause in early December this year. At that time, Main Street will reopen to 2 lanes of traffic. Parking is allowed on both sides of Main Street. Please follow all parking signs and road markings. This winter, utility companies may keep working to move telecom lines underground. This work will have little to no effect on traffic. Construction will resume in spring 2026. Workers will finish paving and installing road markings on Main Street between Stephen Street and the Winooski schools. They will also finish traffic signals, streetlights, sidewalks, driveways, and landscaping work. The project is expected to be finished by summer 2026. The City of Winooski will share a project update before work starts in 2026. Visit this website for project updates. If you have questions or concerns about the project, call 802-595-4399 or email info@winooskimainstreet.com. In 2025, workers finished upgrades to the water, sewer, and stormwater systems. They also put in underground pipes for electrical and telecom utilities. Roadwork continued along Main Street between Maple Street and Tigan Street. Final pavement and road markings, new curbs, sidewalks, streetlights, and trees were placed on Main Street between Maple Street and Stephen Street. 2 layers of pavement and new curbs were installed on Main Street between Stephen Street and Tigan Street.